Hello, as you can see in this question, it is asked an object released from rest t is equal to 0 slides down a frictionless incline distance of 1 meter during first second. So this is the frictionless incline. Okay, an object is at t equal to 0. It is the u is equal to 0. That means it is at rest. So after 1 second, it is somewhere here. Okay. From 0 to 1 second interval, it has traveled this distance. Now they're asking from 1 second to 2 second. In this 1 second interval, in this 1 second from here to here, sorry, made a mistake. Okay. So this is the incline in 1 second, t equal to 0 to t equal to 1 second. That means in 1 second interval, the object has moved. This is straight. So object has moved some distance, maybe 1 meter. Yeah, they have mentioned it is 1 meter. So it has moved by 1 meter to somewhere here. Now they're asking from t equal to 1 second to t equal to 2 second in this time interval, that means 1 second time interval, how much distance it will move? How much distance it will move in this incline? Okay, as you can see, the distance traveled by object during the time interval t equal to 1 second to t equal to 2 second. So the time interval is 1 second, right? So in the second second or in the second interval, what is the distance traveled? So where how do we find it? We know at t equal to 0, u is equal to 0. That means initially the object was at rest. And we also know the distance traveled is s is equal to 1 meter. Okay. Now we want to find out its acceleration, and then we are going to use it uh, in the second case. Okay. So for this, we are going to use this formula s equal to ut plus half at square. Okay. S is 1, as we know. U is equal to 0. So this whole term will become 0. Now half into a, again t is equal to 1 second, right? The time interval is 1 second. So 1 square. So we get a is equal to, if we solve this, we get 2 meters per second square. Okay. This is the first case. Now in the second case, that means t equal to 1 second to t equal to 2 seconds. In this time interval of 1 second, what is the distance traveled? Since it is accelerating, we are again going to use this formula. This time we want to find out. Let us consider this is S1, this is U1, T1, T1 here. Okay. So we are going to use this acceleration here to find out S2. S2 is the distance traveled in the next interval of time. That means t equal to 1 second to t equal to 2 seconds. So U2t 2 plus half a t2 square. A will remain constant since we are assuming it is uniformly accelerating, or gravity is exerted in this body, right? So gravity is a uniform acceleration, so we can use that. Now what about u2? U2 is nothing but the final velocity here. Now final velocity, how do we find the final velocity? The time interval is 1 second, and in this time interval, the distance traveled is 1 meter. So U2 is nothing but 1 meter by 1 second. That means 1 meter per second. So what we can write here, 1. T2, as you can see, T2 is 1 second plus half into A is 2 and T2 means 1 square. So S2 will be 1 plus this gets cancelled. So 1 plus 1. That means 2 meters. Now in this time interval from T equal to 1 second to T equal to 2 second, it has moved by 2 meters since it is accelerating. First second it has moved by 1 meter, second it has moved by 2 meters. Okay. Now if I ask you what is the overall displacement, the overall displacement or total displacement is S1 plus S2. That means 1 plus 2 meters, that means 3 meters. So if you are asked in this, particularly in this time interval, what is the distance traveled, you are going to say it is 2 meters. Okay. But if you are asked that what is the total displacement from t equal to 0, that means when time is equal to 0 to time is equal to 2 seconds. So in this time interval, the total displacement is this much, 3 meters. 3 meters. Okay.